Welcome to Legacy IAS. Today we are going to learn an important concept from number system, that is counting of numbers. Now counting of numbers seems very easy to you, like everybody can count numbers. See, it gets a bit tricky here. So mainly two models of questions can be asked from this, that we'll understand using a book example. So you can be given pages of a book and you will be asked how many digits would you need to type. For example, let's say these are book pages. At the bottom it is written like this is first page, this is second page, this is third page, let's say this is 99th page, and this is, let's say, 413th page. Correct? Like this pages would be written. Now if you count the number of pages, let's say it's a 413 page book, so what is the number of pages? 430. But how many times you had to press a keyboard key to write these numbers? Correct? Or in other words, how many digits are used to represent these page numbers? So this book had pages is equals to 413, but the number of digits that they used to make them or to write all these numbers is what? Just by intuition you can see, like for writing one you would need to type only one, press one key, then for two only press two key, three. So for single digit number you will have to only press once, but for two digit numbers you will have to press it twice, like 9 9. Then for three digit numbers you will have to press it thrice, 4 1 3, like this you will have to press. Understood? So for three digits, three times. Okay, so number of digits, right now you just understand this, that number of digits will be greater than number of pages of the book. Number of digits required to type this would be more than the number of pages. Okay, so in some questions you will be told that this book has 413 pages and you would need to find how many digits are used in it. Okay, the other type of question would be in which the number of digits used you will be given to you and you will be asked number of pages. Let's say it is given to you that it took 431 digits to type all the page numbers of the book. Then you need to find page number of pages of the book by intuition only, because in some cases you would need to type two or three digits. Correct? So the number of pages would be something less than this. Correct? This much you understand? So number of pages would be something less than this. These are the two basic types. Understood? Now they are given in different forms. Like instead of writing it like pages or digits of the book, what I can do is I can also write it like, let's say this, side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this I'll go 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I ask you how many digits are in this number. Again same thing, these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 12 13 14. So 14 is like a number of pages that are in the book, that is 14. And if you see 1 2 3 4, all these are digits. So if you count all of them you will get digits, and this 14 that you are seeing is actually number of pages. Understood? It is just a way of writing questions. Then now we'll learn how we deal with them. Okay, see, if pages are numbered like this from 1 to 9, now how many pages are there from 1 to 9? There are 9 pages. Okay, then from 10 to 99, how many pages are there? Some people might say that there are how many? 89 pages. No, understand, whenever you have to find number of pages or between any two numbers, what you do, you just subtract them. So you subtract them like this. 99 minus 10 is 89. Then you add 1 to it. Always just subtract them and add 1 to it. That will be the number of pages. Correct? So 99 minus 10 is 89. 89 plus 1 is 90. If you count also like this 10, 11, 12, 13, then also you will reach that there are 90 pages. Understood? Then similarly, can you tell about this 100 to 999? If you subtract, what you will get? 999 minus 100, 899. Then you add 1 to it. What you get? 899 plus 1, 900. Similarly, if you go from here to here, what you get? 4 times 9 minus 1000, you get 8999. Now you add 1 to it. What you get is 9000. Understood how you subtract and count number of pages? That is the first thing. Now once you have done this, understand this, from 1 to 9 there are 9 pages. How many digits would you use to type these 9 pages? Each page requires only pressing of one key. For 1 you press 1, for 2 you press 2, for 3 you press only 3. So each will require, number of digits required would be 1. Now similarly, for 10 to 99, how many digits you will require for each? Like to type 11, I'll have to press 1, 1 twice. So every number would correspond to 2 digits. Similarly here 3 digits, similarly here 4 digits. Correct? Now if I have to find total number of key presses or total number of digits used, okay, so each one uses 1 digit and there are 9 such numbers using 1 digit. So I just multiply them, n into d. So 9 into 1 we get 9, then 90 into 2 we get 180, then 900 into 3 we get 2700, then 9000 into 4 we get 36. We get 36,000. Can you see a pattern here? Clearly must be able to see a pattern. Otherwise, see this 9, 18, 27, 36. This forms a pattern. Can you see it? Yeah. And you see zeros. Initially there was no zero, then there was 1 0, then there were 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. So if we are writing 4 digit number, there will be 3 0. Next you can guess. Next you will have, if there are 4 digits, so next would be each requiring 5 digits, and what you will get? You will get something like 45. Correct? From 2700 you went 36,000. From 36,000 you will go 4,50,000. What you are getting to is, you will just keep on writing like this and add 110. So this is easier to get. Understood? Now if I ask you what would be the number of digits from this to this, that you can answer. Now observe one more pattern which is more important. See this 9, if I ask you from 1 to 99, that is completing all the 1 digit numbers as well as 2 digit numbers, how many total digits I use? So 9 plus 180 means 189. Understood? Now see it again. From this to this, if I go from 1 to 999, so from 1 to 999 we get all single digit numbers, all double digit numbers, and all triple digit numbers. If we have to type them all, how many digits we will need? 9 for 1 digit numbers, 180 for 2 digit, 2700 for 3 digit numbers. You add them all, what you get? You get 2889. Understood? 2700 plus 180, correct? 2880 plus 9, 2889. So like this, there is another pattern. Now this does not look very easily. So I'll tell you a trick, so through which you can learn this. Okay, see. what you need to do here, you just write 9 like this, 9 on one vertical, you write like this. Now leave the first space blank for 0, or you can write 0. Now you start writing numbers like in this fashion. So 1, then leave a space, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, form a diagonal. Now whatever space is left between this arrangement, you just write 8 in them. So this becomes 189, this becomes 2889, this becomes 3889, this becomes 4 times 8 9, and this becomes 5 times 8 9. Okay, otherwise if you have to add this becomes very calculative. Instead you can use this trick. Also I will tell you to absolutely remember at least these 3. So 1 to 9 you will already remember. From 1 to 9 how many numbers will you use? 9. So mainly this you have to remember. This is for 1 to 99. From 1 to 99, this is the sum of all digits that will be used. This is for 1 to 999. This is the sum of all digits that you will, sum of all the number of digits that you will use to write from 1 to 999. Understood? So this is the pattern that we follow. Now always remember these two at least. Then let's see how we can use this to solve this 2025 CSAT question. Now prima facie, for someone who has not read this chapter, this will seem like a very difficult and absurd question. So what's the question is, what is the 489th digit in the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12? Like this it has written. Okay, in this order they have written. Okay, now you are asked 489th digit. If you see this carefully, what will be the total number of digits? Is it not like the pages being written? These may be the pages of a book, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 10 11. So for writing 10 page number we are using 2 digits. For writing 11 page number we are using 2 digits. For 12 we are using 2 digits. For let's say 143 we'll use 3 digits. So it is just like that. Now this is actually what it will give you. It will give you sum of digits, because it starts with 1 and it goes on till wherever, we don't know yet till where it will go. Now if total digits that are used, it is asking you for 489th digit, so you consider it that this number you have to at least find till 489th digit. So I consider that total digits used is 489. Now 489, remember this number, see this. So if I were to sum from 1 to 99, it will have only 189 digits. So it can't be here or anywhere below here. Now if I sum from 1 to 199, then it will have something like 2889. This is too large. So our number will lie somewhere in between, which will have how many? 489 digits. Correct? Because this is from 1 to 99 page and this is from 1 to 999 page. So somewhere in between should be the number of pages, because number of digits is between them. Now what we do? Now 489 we have. From 489, it will of course have numbers from 1 to 99. So those numbers we can directly subtract. Okay. So what we do? How this 499 might be formed? So from 1 to 99, I'm starting from 1 to 99. How many numbers are there? 189. Now it is definitely not considering 1 to 999, because then it exceeds, it becomes 2889, which cannot be our answer. It is somewhere in between. So this cannot be there. So what we do, we just simply subtract it. So 489 is the total number of digits. We subtract the number of digits that are used in making pages from 1 to 99. So you subtracted 489 minus 189, you get 300. See, by this 89 only now you can guess that it is somewhere related to what we have read, because you remember the numbers. Correct? You remember 189, 2889. Somewhere it is related to that. That was your guess or clue to get to this, that this question is related to number of pages and digits 1 only. Now, so 1 to 99 you have typed, that is 1 and 2 digit numbers are done. 1 and 2 digit numbers are done. So whatever be the next numbers will all be of 3 digits, can't be of 4 digit. Why? Because then it will exceed 2889. So it all the numbers that are remaining will be of 3 digits. Now remaining digits, how many digits are remaining? 189 was spent in 1 to 99, so remaining digits are 300. Now all these numbers which will be using these 300 digits are 3 digit numbers. So you, to find number of pages, or to find number of pages here, what you can do is 300 digits has to be used. Using what? Only 3 digit numbers. So you divide by 3, because every page or every number would be using 3 digits. So divide by 3, what you get? 100. That means after 99, 1 to 99 is already counted. We have to count how many more? We have to count 100 pages more. So what you get to is this. So you were getting 189 before, sorry, you counted 1 to 99 before. Now you will add 100 more next numbers. Now you will add 100 more next numbers. So add next 100 numbers. Which number do you reach? Which number do you reach? 99. 1 to 99 is done. Then after 99, 100 more numbers. Which number do you reach? You would reach 100 plus 99, that is 199. This is that last number which is getting represented by 489th digit. And because this is dividing easily, completely it is dividing, so it will be the last digit of this number, which will be the 489th digit. So what is the last digit of this number? 100 and 99. What is the last digit? The last digit is actually 9. So this will be the 489th digit. So you get to the answer 9. Okay. For understanding this concept was long, but if you see, when my students saw it in exam, they saw it and they saw 489th, they could guess that 1, 2, 3, okay, these are pages, digits. So immediately what they did, 489, immediately what they did was this, something like this they did. They just saw 48, they saw 489 here, they could guess that this is related to pages and digits. Now 489, nearest one which they remembered was 189, 2889 is of course more than that. So first remove 189, how much you get? 300. Now 1 and 2 digits were done, so 300 was left. 300 will have all 3 digit numbers only, 3 digit numbers only will make 300 digits. So they just divided it, get to 100. So there are 100 3 digit numbers also. So 1 to 99 was done, plus 100 3 digit numbers, and they got to 199. 199 they saw, last digit 9, last digit 9, tick, got it, came back home happy. Understood the concept as well as this question? That's it. Thank you.